Are you making the guy behind you back up a shame as well? Red light, run! Really, dude? Yeah, can we speed up a little bit? No stop. Yep, this is the ultra exciting clips that you have come to see here on this channel. So subscribe to watch more of them, because I'm guarantee you're gonna love them. I promise. Dive for the left turn lane behind me. Toyo turd. Dive for the right turn. Screwborough. No stop. Red light, run. Ooh. Okay, exit dive. Sorry, I'm sorry. Nice cut off.
Wait, the Hubble law is specifically, it's much more like the space between every galaxy section stretching. So from their point of view, if you were on one of those other galaxies, it would also look like everything else right, everything's
that was kind of an exit dive. Kia, you got no soul. And it's probably stolen too. The fuck's this guy? The whole lane ahead of you is clear, and you had your left turn signal on for like a long time. I don't get what you were trying to do. Probably going to the airport, which that exit's not for a while, so I don't know why you were in such a big hurry to merge over now. Yeah, you shouldn't do an exit dive, but at the same time, there's a middle ground.
So you'd be like 5, 6, 7, 8.
Seriously, dude.
And the amount of people that he woke up where they were like, "Fuck, I gotta get up, or I'm not gonna make this count." Anyway,
that was an angry honk. He's like, "What the fuck are you doing?"
Or the little mouse. At least you didn't pick
I guess you were not going to the airport. I guess you were going to Kodak or something. Nice cut off.
Who knows? Fill each other out. Who knows what's going to happen? But say you lose game 1, to win game 2 on the road, to come back, you're tied 1.
Exit dive.
Florida. But I don't know how that's your leadership is.
Red light, run. You didn't stop. You didn't stop either.
It's April 2019 in New York City. Almost 1 year after AT&T's takeover of Time Warner. Discovery CEO David Zaslav.
What are you guys? What? No. What are you doing?
We're on strike.
Yeah, strike. Exactly.
From what? What are you on strike from?
The show.
From the show. We want better.
Can't honk that.
And better pay. I'm on your side.
Interestingly, it's not. There are parts of the Hebrew Bible that suggest it may not be fully prohibited. Like there's a.
Oh, exit dive.
There's a part in Deuteronomy where it's
That's kind of... Who would I fault for that? Probably the bus driver.
The Pacers versus your Oklahoma City Thunder. It's looking like, from what people are telling me, I didn't watch anything.
I think that says no left turn over there. I don't think you can do that.
David and Goliath.
Toyo turn.
There's a few people that even each other out. Because you know Barkov, I mean, McDavid's going to find Barkov. He gets beyond everything. But Barkov's
Nice cut off.
Make it his mission to stay between them.
You can't go yet. What the hell are you doing? God. Are you gonna go or what? I guess you're not. Time for the right turn. BM double douche.
Fireman misses work because he's drunk. So Dev steps up and starts doing that work, which consisted of shoveling coal into a raging furnace on a steam-powered locomotive that ran to the age of 14. Debs drops out of school and becomes a painter for the railroad, painting and scraping paint from railroad cars. An interesting story is that he used his first 2 days of wages
for all that much more suspicious of future U.S. intervention. It drove Cuba further into the Soviet sphere of influence. It affirmed Castro as a Leninist Marxist despite his former ideological flexibility. And
exit dive behind me.
led to the Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962.
If we're in Rochester, I think it's stolen. That's an exit dive. Holy fuck, if I'm not going fast enough for you, go into the center lane and pass me. Red light run. Hyundai. Dive for the right turn lane. No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, no trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. But we're not in Connecticut. We're in Rochester, New York. He's probably going to the airport. I would make fun of him for being a rental, and they rent those things to anybody, but they probably didn't tell him because it's not the law here, so I can't do that. Oh well, sucks for me. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! I don't know why I do that every time. It's just weird. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!